texts based on the Unit 1 syllabus of the PGTRB history exam. These questions are of moderate difficulty, provided in the answers in both Tamil and English. 1. Which dynasty is known for the construction of the famous Kalasanatha temple? Kalakanata Kovilai Kattiya Araka Kutumpamettu. A. Pallava, Pallava. B. Chola, Kola. C. Pandya, Pintiya. D. Chera, Sera. Answer. A. Pallava, Pallava. 2. Who is known as the founder of the Maurya dynasty? Maurya Venkatan Niruvanar yaar? A. Chandragupta Maurya, Kandiragupta Maurya. B. Ashoka, Akokar. C. Bindusara, Pintukara. D. Kanishka, Kaniskar. Answer. A. Chandragupta Maurya, Kandiragupta Maurya. 3. Which ancient text describes the duties of a king? Perarakaran Katamikalai Vivarikam Naletu. A. Arthashastra, Arthakastram. B. Ramayana, Ramayana. C. Rig Veda, Rigvetam. D. Mahabharat, Mikapratam. Answer. A. Arthashastra, Arthakastram. 4. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi? Telian Mutulkaltan Yar. A. Qutbiuddin Aibak, Qutbuddin Aibak. B. Iltutmish, Iltutmish. C. Alauddin Khilji, Alavuddin Khilji. D. Babur, Papar. Answer. A. Qutbiuddin Aibak, Qutbuddin Aibak. 5. Which battle laid the foundation of Mughal rule in India? Intiavil Mukalai Attiku Attitilam Aminta Poratu. A. Battle of Panipat, Panipat Po. B. Battle of Plassey, Pilichi Po. C. Battle of Buxar, Tuka Po. D. Battle of Kalinga, Kalinka Po. Answer. A. Battle of Panipat, Panipat Po. 6. Who wrote the book, Indika? Intika, Anranule Alutiavar Yar. A. Megasthenes, Megastanus. B. Faheen, Pahian. C. Hyan Sang, Hyun Kendi, Pliny, Pliny. Answer. A. Megasthenes, Megastanus. 7. The famous Intika, Anranule Alutiavar Yar. A. Megasthenes, Megastanus. B. Faheen, Pahian. C. Hyan Sang, Hyun Kendi, Pliny, Pliny. Answer. A. Megasthenes, Megastanus. 7. The famous Ajanta caves are associated with which religion? Ajanta Kukaikal enter Matitutan Totar Kutayatu. A. Buddhism, Putta Matam. B. Hinduism, Intu Matam. C. Jainism, Jaina Matam. D. Sikhism, Sikya Matam. Answer. A. Buddhism, Putta Matam. 8. Who was the last ruler of the Gupta dynasty? Gupta Vamkatan Kataichi Arakayar. A. Skandagupta, Skindikuptar. B. Chandragupta II, Kandiraguptar II. C. Vishnu Gupta Vamkatan Kataichi Arakayar. A. Skandagupta, Skindikuptar. B. Chandragupta II, Kandiraguptar II. C. Vishnugupta, Vishnuguptar. D. Samudragupta, Kamitiraguptar. Answer. C. Vishnugupta, Vishnuguptar. 9. What was the capital of the Chola Empire? Kala Perarasan Tilainikaram Mettu. A. Thanjavur, Tankavur. B. Kanchipuram, Kansipuram. C. Madurai, Michirai. D. Pataliputra, Pataliputtaram. Answer. A. Thanjavur, Tankavur. 10. Who was the first woman ruler of India? Intiavin Mutalpen Achyala Yar. A. Razia Sultan, Razia Kaltan. B. Rani Lakshmibai, Rani Latkumi Pesi, Noor Jahan, Noor Jahan. D. Ahilyabai Holkar, Akilyape Holkar. Answer. A. Razia Sultan, Razia Kaltan. 11. The Treaty of Srirangapatna was signed between which parties? Srirangapattinam Utan Patikai Yarukom Yarukom Itai Lutti Tuppitatu. A. British and Tipu Sultan, Piratis Maram Tippu Kaltan. B. Marathas and British, Marattikal Maram Piratis. C. Mughals and British, Mukalayakal Maram Piratis. D. Nizams and British, Nikamkal Maram Piratis. Answer. A. British and Tipu Sultan, Piratis Maram Tippu Kaltan. 12. Who founded the city of Agra? Akra Nagarattai Niruvayavar Yar. A. Sikandar Lodi, Chikantar Losha. B. Babur, Papar. C. Akbar, Akbar. D. Humayun, Humayun. Answer. A. Sikandar Lodi, Chikantar Losha. 13. The Bhakti movement was prominent during which period? Pitti Yakam enter Kalikattil Mukyamaka Iruntatu. A. Medieval India, naturally like Kala India. B. Ancient India, Tonme Kala India. C. Modern India, Navina India. D. Colonial India, Atipitai Kala India. Answer. A. Medieval India. 14. Who was the author of Akbarnama? Akbarnama, Anranule Nasiriyar Yar. A. Abul Fazl, Apul Pakal. B. Birbal, Pirpal. C. Fazi, Khapaichi. D. Tansen, Tansen. Answer. A. Abul Fazl, Apul Pakal. 15. What was the capital of the Mauryan Empire under Ashoka? Akokari Inkalattil Maurya Perarasan Tilainikaram Mettu. A. Pataliputra, Pataliputtiram. B. Taxila, Tikshasila. C. Ujjain, Ujjain. D. Kalinga, Kalinka. Answer. A. Pataliputra, Pataliputtiram. 16. Who was the founder of the Vijayanagar Empire? Vijayanagara Perarasan Niruvanar Yar. A. Harihara I, Harihara I.B., Krishnadevaraya, Kirisnetvaraya. C. Bukka I, Bukka I.D., Narasimha, Narasimhar. Answer. A. Harihara I, Harihara I. 17. Who was known as the Napoleon of India? Intiavin Napoleonaka Alaikapputupavar Yar. A. Samudragupta, Kamitiraguptar. B. Chandragupta Maurya, Kandiragupta Maurya. C. Akbar, Akbar. D. Shivaji, Shivaji. Answer. A. Samudragupta, Kamitiraguptar. 18. Who was the first Governor General of India? Intiavin Mutal Governor General Yar. A. Warren Hastings, Warren Hastings. B. Lord Dalhousie, Lord Talavouchi. C. Lord Wellesley, Lord Wellesley. D. Robert Clive, Robert Clive. Answer. A. Warren Hastings, Warren Hastings. 19. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? Verikai Marupati, Kolkai Irimukappatutiyavar Yar. A. Lord Dalhousie, Lord Talavouchi. B. Lord Cornwallis, Lord Cornwallis. C. Lord Curzon, Lord Kakan. D. Lord Wellesley, Lord Wellesley. Answer. A. Lord Dalhousie, Lord Talavouchi. 20. Which Mughal ruler built the Taj Mahal? Tajmahal Kattiya Mukalaya Achi Tilavar Yar. A. Shah Jahan, Sijakan. B. Akbar, Akbar. C. Aurangzeb, Aurangzeb. D. Babur, Papar. Answer. Shah Jahan, Sijakan.